In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off a VPN or proxy here on Windows. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But say you accidentally left a VPN or proxy on and you need to disable it, here's what you're going to want to do. First things first, go ahead and open up your settings by clicking on the Windows search bar and then clicking on settings or searching for it. And on this left hand panel over here, you're going to want to go ahead and select network and internet. And if you are using a VPN, go ahead and select VPN in this option. If you're currently connected, you're going to see an option that does say connected and it'll be listed on here. Just go ahead and click disconnect, and if you don't want the VPN saved anymore, click the arrow next to it and remove it. But if you are using a proxy, go ahead and go back one setting and click on proxy right here and click edit under use proxy server and switch it off. After that, hit save, and once you've done this, your internet will return to normal routing with no VPN or proxy. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.